A fireball fell from the sky in Georgia. I was asked about this. I'm gonna show the video and then give you guys my 2 cents. So my first statement is this. Meteors and fireballs, they're going across the earth many times. That's not the thing, but you have to look at the timing of certain events. This takes place over the United States after a time period of the United States helping Israel with war. During a time period where earthquakes is taking place in places that don't really get earthquakes. During a time period that we just saw one of the worst pestilences in 2020 that we've seen. During a time period that even though they tried to pump some water in the Euphrates River, it's still drying up. During a time period where a lot of people are turning away from Jesus. During a time period where the foundation is being laid for the covenant of the Antichrist. Now, listen, Trump is not the Antichrist. He can't be. For multiple reasons. Number one, he's from America. And by that, I mean president of the United States. Number two, the Antichrist rules for 7 years, but breaks his covenant 3.5 years in. Trump's been a president of the United States 4 years and some change, counting his first term. If he was the Antichrist, he would have had a covenant that he would have broken by now. Plus, he's already well known. The Antichrist is the little horn. He uproots 3 others. You could cross Bibi off the list, Benjamin Netanyahu, because Israel is not involved in the 10-nation coalition, according to Daniel. However, this is laying a foundation for the 10-nation coalition with the other nations. I'll do another video on that later. But when you look at all these things, plus a lot of other things, we are in the birth pains. It doesn't mean you'll see these things happen individually. It means when you see all of these things happening all together. That's what we're seeing now. We're not in the tribulation right now, but during the tribulation, we see the stars falling from the sky. We also see that Jesus talking about the birth pains as well, that there will be signs in the sun, moon, and in the stars. So signs like this or anything else, just keep a mental note of it and then count all the other ones that you see. When you sit back and look, you'll see that we're truly in the birth pains. Hit follow for more. The deadline's 2 days away. If you struggle with understanding what God has called you to, your purpose, we're sending out a 3-day class at the end of the month on this subject. This has to be one of the best classes that we've done. I just concluded day 2 of the pre-recording. I'm going to be going over how God uses dreams and visions to confirm your call. Prophetic patterns in the Bible, how God uses prophetic patterns to confirm your call. For example, you take a look at people in the Bible, the jobs that God has given them reflected what they were spiritually called to. You take a look at Peter. What was it? He was a fisherman. What did Jesus tell him? I'll make you fishers of men. So going to be teaching on these things, deja vu from a biblical perspective, and a lot more. To sign up from Instagram, go to my profile page and click where it says sign up below me. Or you could click the Aaronic Learning link in my bio or the link in my story. And if you're on from TikTok or YouTube, you could just click the link in my bio, scroll down for half a second and you'll see it. It's pre-recorded. It's not live, so you can watch anytime you want, as long as YouTube is up and running. The only thing that is not, or that is live but not pre-recorded, is the 30-minute Q&A.